Düsseldorf is the capital city of the state of North Rhine-Westphalia and the city on the Rhine River in western Germany. With a population of 620,000 residents, it is one of the country's economic centers and the central city within the Rhine-Ruhr metropolitan region. While Frankfurt is the German financial service center and several other German cities excel in diverse sectors, Düsseldorf has the largest concentration of professional services, creative industries and media, and is known as the German fashion capital. Düsseldorf also hosts a large number of German or European head offices of Japanese companies, as well as a sizable Japanese community, making more than 1% of the city's total population. Düsseldorf, as a significant cultural center, has many museums and more than 100 art galleries, encompassing everything from internationally renowned facilities such as the spectacular art collection North Rhine-Westphalia, to smaller installations located in the city's trendy Königssee district. These tourist attractions, along with the city's position on the Rhine, numerous large squares and lovely riverside walkways, make it an especially nice place to spend time. The Rhine-side city draws tourists with beer and museums, art, a riverfront promenade and festivals, beer halls and riverfront bars, carnivals and fairgrounds. Düsseldorf attractions are varied and proudly displayed. The city is located in western Germany on the banks of the Rhine River. The locals are warm and inviting, embodying the Rhineland's friendly atmosphere. Big Düsseldorf attractions can be found in the Old Town, Altstadt. Visit the world's longest bar, a collection of 250 bars and restaurants that line the streets of Old Town. Try an Alt beer, a dark beer made in Düsseldorf. The Film Museum gives a look into movie culture, and don't forget to visit the City Hall, Rathaus, which dates from the late 16th century. Nearby, shoppers will appreciate the fashion shops on Königssee. Düsseldorf has a multitude of outdoor experiences. Take a walk down the river promenade, sit at a waterfront cafe, and watch the sunset over the Rhine River west side. The Hofgarten, one of Germany's oldest public parks, is worth a visit. In the summer, concerts include free jazz, big band and orchestral performances. Don't forget to see the Düsseldorf Hafen. This modernized harbor is home to award-winning restaurants as well as some of Düsseldorf's most notable architecture. Admire the asymmetric Der Neue Zollhof buildings by famous architect Frank Gehry. From the top of the Rhine River, you can get a bird's-eye view of the city. If architecture isn't your thing, take in some river views or order a curry sausage at the Michelin-starred Berensamkai restaurant. At Japan Day, you can watch martial arts demonstrations and listen to live music. This festival, which takes place in May or June, celebrates the culture of Germany's largest Japanese population. Participate in the Rhenish Carnival festivities, which take place from November to Ash Wednesday. Younger visitors will enjoy the amusement rides of the Rhine Carms, the Rhine's largest fairground. The city center streets are smooth, making it easier to get around on foot. If you don't want to cycle, Düsseldorf has an excellent public transportation system. Most of the areas you'll like to see can be reached by bus, tram or subway. Rent a car to get around outside of the capital. Best time to visit Düsseldorf are spring and winter. In spring, during the Easter period, the crocuses, tulips and narcissus are in full bloom, making the city's parks and gardens beautiful places to stroll. In winter, top on most people's list for a German visit are the Christmas markets, which carries over into the shops and restaurants of the city. Average temperatures in Düsseldorf vary greatly. However, if you're looking for the warmest time to visit Düsseldorf, the hottest months are July, August and then June. The Catholic St. Andreas Church in the heart of Old Town assumes a special position regarding the history of art. It is considered a masterpiece of the outgoing German Renaissance and the beginning of the Baroque period. The magnificent interior and the mausoleum on the north side of the church are particularly well worth seeing. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it.